Xiaomi E10 versus Xiaomi S10. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to compare the Xiaomi E10 with Xiaomi S10, and by the end of this video you are going to get a clear idea of which one is better for your needs. So first of all, let's just see the suction power. So both of these has the 4000 PA of the suction power. If we talk about the battery capacity, then in this section the Xiaomi S10 wins because it has the 32,000 mAh battery, and the runtime is 120 minutes, whereas in the E10 it is only 2600 mAh battery and the runtime is 100 minutes. If we talk about the dustbin capacity, then here we have the Xiaomi E10 as winner with the 400 ml of the dustbin capacity, whereas the S10 has only the 300 ml. Both of these has the mop functionality. Both of these don't have the auto empty station, so this feature is not available in both of these. If we talk about the navigation, then in the E10 has the gyroscopic navigation, whereas the Xiaomi S10 has the LDS laser navigation. So the LDS laser navigation is slightly better than this one. So in this section, in my opinion, the Xiaomi S10 gets 1 point. Now we have the app control. So both of these has the app control feature. If we talk about the voice control, then unfortunately the Xiaomi E10 doesn't have the voice control feature, whereas the S10 has the voice control feature. If we talk about the object avoidance, then the E10 has the basic bump sensors and the S10 has more advanced infrared sensors. So the basic sensors are way less than. So in this section, I presume that the infrared sensors are more advanced than that of the basic bump sensors. So I'm going to give the S10 one more point here. The water tank capacity, when it comes to water tank capacity, we have the E10 with 200 ml, whereas the S10 has the 300 ml. The self-cleaning feature, so both of these don't have the self-cleaning feature. The noise level in both of these is also similar, which is around 60 to 67 dB. If we talk about the pricing, then generally the E10 is less expensive, whereas the S10 is more expensive. Now the question arises, which one should you actually go for, or which one is actually better for you? So you can go for the Xiaomi E10 if you are budget conscious buyer who need a basic robot vacuum cleaner for small to medium sized spaces with simple layouts. It is also a good option for those who already own a smart speaker for voice control as well. You can go for the Xiaomi S10 if you are one of those who want a more intelligent and efficient cleaning experience. The LDS navigation ensures better coverage and avoids any obstacle more effectively. The built-in mop function offers a more complete cleaning solution as well. So if you want to buy any of these, I will put their buying link down in the description, so you can check that out for the better pricing and offers. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.